What's going on, Universe Explorers? Welcome back to Second Universe 360, where we dive deep into the stories that will shape humanity's future. And today's revelation is going to absolutely blow your mind. But first, if you're not subscribed to Second Universe 360 yet, you need to hit that subscribe button right now and ring that notification bell, because what I'm about to reveal could change everything we know about the space race. Guys, what I'm about to tell you sounds like something straight out of sci-fi movie, but this is happening right now. Trump's newly appointed NASA chief, Duffy, has just fast-tracked one of the most ambitious and potentially dangerous projects in human history, building a fully operational nuclear reactor on the surface of the moon by 2030. And when I tell you why this is happening so urgently, you're going to understand that we're witnessing the beginning of a new space race that could determine who controls the future of humanity itself. Listen to this carefully, because this is where it gets absolutely insane. Duffy, who Trump just put in charge of NASA, has completely blown up the original timeline for this lunar nuclear project. The plan was already in motion. NASA working with the U.S. Energy Department to build a 40-kilowatt fission power system for the moon. But Duffy looked at those plans and said, that's not nearly enough. He's now demanding a minimum of 100 kilowatts, more than double the original power output. And he wants it done within 5 years. To put this in perspective, we're talking about humanity's first nuclear power plant on another world, generating enough electricity to power a small town, sitting 240,000 miles away from Earth on the moon's surface. This isn't just ambitious. This is borderline insane. Nothing like this has ever been attempted in human history. But here's the part that should absolutely terrify you. This isn't just about scientific achievement. This is about a space race that's happening right now. And the stakes are nothing less than control of the moon itself. Listen to what Duffy actually said, and I'm quoting him directly. The first country to do so could potentially declare a keep-out zone, which would significantly inhibit the United States from establishing a planned Artemis presence, if not their first. Did you catch that? Keep-out zones on the moon. We're talking about nuclear-powered territorial claims in space. Russia and China are racing to do the exact same thing, and whoever gets there first could literally claim ownership of lunar territory. Think about that for a second. We're about to witness the first nuclear-powered land grab in space. The moon isn't just a destination anymore. It's becoming the ultimate strategic military position. Whoever controls the moon controls the gateway to Mars, the asteroid belt, and the entire solar system. Now, here's what makes this story even more crazy. The timeline Duffy has set is absolutely bonkers. They have 30 days to designate an executive for this program. 60 days to get industry proposals, and 5 years to design, build, test, launch, land, and operate humanity's first lunar nuclear reactor. The engineering challenges are mind-boggling. How do you safely transport nuclear fuel to the moon? How do you set up a reactor in the vacuum of space with no atmosphere? How do you cool it without air or water? How do you maintain it when the nearest repair technician is 250,000 miles away? Normally, a project like this would take 15 to 20 years of careful development. They want to do it in 5. That's not just ambitious, that's desperation. Universe Explorers, what we're witnessing here is the militarization of space happening in real time. Sure, they're calling it a civilian power system for scientific research. But let's be real. Any nuclear reactor that can power a lunar base can also power weapons systems, communication arrays, and military installations. Once you establish nuclear-powered zones on the moon, you've essentially created the first extraterrestrial military bases. And whoever gets there first gets to make the rules for everyone else. This could be the foundation for permanent lunar colonies, massive mining operations, and launching platforms for missions to Mars. Or it could be the spark that ignites the first interplanetary war. So here's the million-dollar question. Can NASA actually pull this off by 2030? Honestly, under normal circumstances, absolutely not. The technical challenges alone would take longer than 5 years to solve safely. But here's what's different. This has become a matter of national security. When America decides something is existentially important, They have a history of achieving the impossible. Think Manhattan Project, Apollo program, impossible deadlines that somehow got met. With unlimited funding, the best minds in the world, and the pressure of national survival. Maybe, just maybe, they can actually do it. This story is developing rapidly, and it could literally determine the future of human civilization. If this revelation shocked you as much as it shocked me, I need you to tell me in the comments below. Are you excited about nuclear-powered lunar bases, or terrified about what this means for space warfare? Do you think this is the beginning of humanity's expansion into the cosmos, or the start of cosmic conflict? If this deep dive blew your mind, smash that like button and share this video with everyone you know. This is exactly the kind of story that mainstream media won't properly cover, but it's probably the most important space story of our lifetime. And make sure you're subscribed to Second Universe 360, because we'll be tracking every single development in this nuclear space race as it unfolds. The space race is back. Universe explorers. And this time the prize isn't national pride. It's control of humanity's cosmic destiny. The next 5 years will determine whether we become a spacefaring civilization or witness the first nuclear standoff beyond Earth. Either way, history is being written right now, 240,000 miles above our heads. Keep watching the skies, keep questioning everything, and I'll see you in the next dimension.